Not all Makari products are good for you. Whether you're lightening, whether you're maintaining your skin tone, whether you're toning, whether you're brightening up, not all Makari products are good for you. You want to choose with caution, and that's what this video is going to be all about. If you want to know what Makari is best for you, best for your skin type, and it's going to give you the results you're looking out for, then make sure you sit back and enjoy the video. Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about Makari for beginners again, but this time for a different skin type from what we did the last time. So if you haven't watched my last video, go and check it out. I talked about Makari for oily skin. Yes, today I'm talking about Makari for a different skin type, but for beginners. Yeah, of course, if you're not a beginner, you might also use this, but stay tuned to the end to know what to expect if you use this product. If you are new, once more, welcome back. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Here we do skincare videos, and let's dive right into our video. So this is the product I'm going to be talking about today. This is the Natural Intense Extreme Lait Corporel Multivitamine Éclaircissant, which in English translates to multivitamin toning body lotion. Multivitamin toning body lotion. So this is from the Makari brand. If you do not know, Makari is a brand, an old skincare brand that specializes on it, like it targets women of color. So if you're an African, you're an African American, however you want to call it, I don't know the English, but it's suitable for our skin type, our skin color, skin complexion. So this is one of their products, and this is highly recommended for beginners. When I talk of beginners, I don't mean those who want to start lightening up their skin. Yes, if you're starting up with skin lightening, yes, this can be one. You can also use this as well. But I'm actually talking about those who want to use Makari for the first time. So beginners in the Makari world, those who want to start trying Makari products for the very first time, it's recommended you start with this. It's called the Natural. This is the mildest. This is the mildest. Now, not everybody can just pick up this product because you are a Makari beginner. You have to have the specific skin type that this product is recommended for. Now, this particular one, the Natural Intense Extreme, is for normal to dry skin. Normal to dry skin. That's because it has beurre de karité, shea butter as its base. Kind of. So you know, shea butter is very good to moisturize dry skin. It's very, very effective in moisturizing the skin or hydrating the skin. So if you are dry skin, this is your own Makari. This is your own. It comes in a 500 ml, and then it contains SPF 15. In the last video I did for Makari for oily skin, I forgot to mention that yes, it also contains SPF. The Natural line, all the products from Natural line contains SPF. But does that mean that you have to go around without using SPF? No, that's not the meaning. You know, SPF 50 is what is recommended or advised for you to use to be fully protected from the sun. This is just SPF 15, but a little bit is better than nothing. So this one protects your skin from the sun. However, when you're using it, make sure you get an SPF to protect your skin as well. So this is it. The lighting, it has, now it is a toning lotion, it's not a lighting lotion, but it has some lighting additives added into it. But I want to believe the reason why this doesn't really lighten your skin, I'm guessing, might be because the lighting ingredients are just put in very little quantities, little amounts. They are not quite heavy in the product, so you don't expect to get white. Don't expect to get 3 shades lighter with this product. However, you might get 2 shades lighter with this product depending on how your skin is at the point you are starting. For example, if you have never used skin lightening products on your skin before, this might give you 1 shade to 2 shades lighter, and it might not even give you that. If you are sensitive, if your skin is very soft, if your skin responds to cream very fast, this might brighten up your skin. This might brighten up your skin. This might give you a shade or 2. But I don't expect 3 shades. Even 2 shades, sometimes it's rare to see 2 shades with this product. But 1 shade is the usual that we'll normally see. And in some cases, it just brightens up. It just evens out your skin tone, it doesn't lighten your skin. I've seen my husband use this natural, the product from Natural line, but carotonic, and it didn't lighten up his skin. It just brightened up his skin, glowed his skin, and he's very dark. He's like 3 shades darker than me, or if not more. He's a dark guy. So this product comes in a set. It has a set. It has a soap, it has a face serum, it has a face cream, and it has the lotion. And then there's a glycerin, a natural glycerin as well. This is a natural carotonic extreme. Then you can use it alongside any Makari natural product, or you can use it even alongside any Makari lighting, any Makari lotion. But if you are a beginner, make sure you use this glycerin. Let's say if you are a beginner and you want to use glycerin, make sure you use this glycerin. Don't use any other glycerin if you are trying Makari products for the very first time. Now, you can as well use this without glycerin or glycerin, but for me, I wouldn't say do it that way. If you can invest in this glycerin, invest in it. It's maybe about $26 or $28 or euros. I don't know. I can't remember. When I bought it, it was like 24, but I guess I bought it when it was on promotion or on sales. So try it. And when you buy this is 500 ml. It can take you a very long time. You can use this for even 4 months, if not 5 months, because you don't need to use it as much as you use your lotion. So try to use it alongside. Why? Because this helps to moisturize. It helps to give you a moisturized skin, especially if you're dry. Try this oil, and it helps to glow your skin. It helps to glow your skin. This is it. This is it. And when you're getting Makari products, please let me mention quickly before I forget. Make sure you look out for the seal. Make sure you get the original. I know some of you will come and start asking me that, where can I get the original? Get the original on their website, or check their distributors. Go to their website, check their distributors. If you are in Europe, use makari.fr. If you are in the US, use makari.com. If you are in Africa, use makari.ng, which is a Nigerian website. Go on their website, try to check. You're going to see their distributors, their recognized distributors, so that if you are in a country where you don't want to ship from Nigeria, say you're in an African country, you don't want to ship from Nigeria, you can check their distributors. Maybe, I'm sure they have a distributor in Ghana, they have a distributor in Cameroon, they have a distributor in Zambia. They are, like, just check all those details. Check to make sure you take their recognized distributors. Yeah, so you don't go and buy from somebody you don't know. Avoid buying them from shops who just carry them and put them in the counters. Make sure you check their distributors if you can't buy from any of the websites I just mentioned. And when you buy from the distributors, make sure you go back on Makari to check their products to see if it ties with what you bought from your distributor. You understand? Beware of fake. There are lots of fake Makari products. Some people come and complain, Makari gave me this, Makari gave me that. Sometimes it's because they got the fake, and sometimes the product is just not working for you. Like I would always say, there's no skincare that fits everybody. Paracet doesn't work for everybody, so don't expect Makari to work for everybody. If it doesn't work for you, drop it and move to the next product. Now I've had people tell me that Makari contains hydroquinone, Makari contains steroids, Makari contains this. I'm sorry, I don't know about that. On their ingredient list, it states water, glycerin, blackberry, mulberry root extract, licorice root extract, and so on and so forth. There's no hydroquinone on their list of ingredients, so I can't talk of what I don't know. And I know that some products that sometimes they'll say they don't contain hydroquinone, baby. When you use them, you get some effects on your skin. I haven't really had that, especially with this natural. Talking for this natural, I don't know if the other products will contain the hydroquinone. I don't know. I cannot say what I don't know, my loves. I can only talk about what I know. So this one, I think it doesn't contain hydroquinone, but if you use it and you get those reactions as though it contains hydroquinone, just drop it, please. Just drop it, because your skin is worth more than anything. You don't want to keep using it and going around on that videos and arguing it has hydroquinone and you're still using the product. Drop it, because it's more expensive to repair your skin than to damage it. You can use just 25 euro or 30 euro. This thing retails for about 26 euros. I don't know. They're about, I think about 26. No, about 32 euros. Sorry. 32 euro. I was thinking the currency in pounds. It's about 32 euro. So you can go and use this thing with Azura. It's giving you white dots, it's giving you stretch marks, and then you don't drop it. You stay, you're using it, and you're complaining. It's not going to help. Drop it, because to repair your skin will cost you more than 32 euro. So if you try a product that's not working for you, rather than going around and complaining and trying to fight YouTubers, this product, it's not worth it. Just drop it and try something else. Save your skin the stress. You understand? So this is a product. It contains SPF. I've read the ingredients for it to you. It's recommended for normal to dry skin. Please don't use it on your face. It's for the body from here. That's why it states here that body lotion. It's a body lotion. It's not a face lotion. Some of you will come and start saying, I used it on my face and it worked. Yes, I don't know about that. I'm not using it on my face. And I don't recommend you use it on your face. Anyway, use it on your face at your own risk. Don't say Forever Young 20 said you should use it on your face. I didn't say that. So that is it for this video. If you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. If you are sensitive, wait, hold on. I'm going to drop a video for you. Makari Natural for beginners. If you are not a beginner and you want to use this product, go ahead and use it. But know that the results are going to be different. Go ahead and use it. It's not like if you're not a beginner, you can't use it. But if you're a beginner, it's a must for you to use this. But if you want to jump this, there are some products in the Makari brand you are not supposed to touch. Especially if you have sensitive skin and if you are a beginner. There are some products you're not supposed to touch. I'm going to make a video to talk to you after this one. After showing you Makari you can use as beginners, I'm going to come up with another Makari products you're not supposed to touch. You are not supposed to touch if you are a beginner. Because I do all these things, some people will still come and be asking me, can I use Makari this? Can I use Makari this? It's fine. Let me just be talking. That's why this YouTube channel is here, for me to be talking. But I'm going to do another video to show you Makari products that you're not allowed to touch. So if you enjoyed this video, why not give it a thumbs up? Thumbs it up so I know you enjoy what I'm doing. And if you have any video recommendations or suggestions, leave comments below. If you have personal questions, write to me on questions that are not related to this video. Write to me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is babytech2. Don't come and say hi and then you go and sleep. You're waiting for me to come and say hello. I'm not going to respond to that, please. Come to my inbox or to my DM. State what you want. State what you're asking for. I'm not trying to be rude. I'm just trying to be professional here. Don't come and start saying that hi and then you go. And then I'm busy. I come and say hi. You are also busy. You don't respond just like that. Just state what you want, and if I can help, I'll help. If I can't help, I'll say sorry, I can't help. So I love you all, and thank you for always sticking by me or standing with me. If you love the video, again, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Turn on your notification bell so as to be notified each time I upload a new video. I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. I love you all like crazy. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and grow old without wrinkles. Bye.